Hi friends, here's some instructions on how to delete a quiz if you possibly need to delete one. If a student's taken a version in Spanish or maybe they failed the quiz and you want to make them try again, choose independent reading over here and then go to record books and goals. You need to select your class. I'm going to choose Ames because I know I need to delete one from there. And then you click on reading practice quizzes. This will show you the last quizzes that the kids in your class have done after they all start doing them. There's going to be lots of selections here. And then you actually click on the student whose quiz you want to delete. I'm deleting this one because we did it in class. You just come over here, choose delete, okay, and you are done. At that point, they should be able to log in and do the quiz again. Just a few other things on RenPlace as far as accelerated reader. If you can run a full report on your class, I usually have a weekly goal for the students in my class, so I choose independent reading and then reports, reading practice, diagnostic, then I choose my classroom, and then I always go through and I change the date to the beginning of the week. That way I can just see how many books they've done for this specific week. And then I will choose View Report. And you can, after it's generated, it will let you know how many points they have, their average score. So I go through on here, and it tells me right here is, well, that doesn't work, under earned, tells me the amount of points that they have earned for the week. So, for instance, here, he took 2 quizzes and he got 100%. Well, because the average over here tells you, or she did, 100% as well. When it has a little red triangle, that means that they scored probably a 60 or lower on a quiz. I typically don't count quizzes when they score less than a 70. And so what I would do with that student is I would probably go in and see what book it was, and I would either have them read it again, or if you need to keep that information on there to share with parents that they're trying to take quizzes on books they haven't read, you can leave it on there. It's totally up to you. I also like to come over here and look at their average book level on this side. It just kind of lets me know, are they challenging themselves? Are they kind of trying to do the bare minimum? What's happening over here, just to make sure they're in the right range. As well as when we get further in the year, I will be looking at the percentage of fiction and nonfiction to make sure they're getting both the genres in for their AR goal. But this just shows you, oh, Jagger's down here. He rolled into the other one. A good way to track how many points they had. I usually like to pull this on Wednesdays as well and kind of make sure everybody has at least one done by that point. It just makes it a little bit easier. Let me see, what else do we need to know on accelerated reader? I don't think there's anything there. Let's look. Yep, I think that's pretty much all you would need to know for that one.